The Office of Technology is proud to introduce to the TWU community TD Client. TD Client is a web-based application that allows the TWU community to access technology services, knowledge base, and frequently asked questions. To introduce TD Client, we've released a new website, twu.edu/technology. The new site features an easier-to-remember web address. It is a simpler site designed based on user analytics of our old site. It also combines all of technology services into one web presence. To access our website, you may type twu.edu/technology in a web browser's address bar, or starting at the TWU homepage, you could access the A to Z index, click T, and then select Technology Office of. There are two menu options on our new site, Services and Knowledge Base. We also have contact information for the service desk, email, chat, requesting help, and then following our Twitter. We also have information about our department, our organization chart, governance, mission and values, strategic plan, annual reports, our blog, and our CIO's Twitter account. The body of our site includes lists of services, our most requested services, such as changed password, mobile setup, and online course help, student services, faculty services, staff services, which include all staff services, Colleague, Phoenix, SharePoint, Quotes, ACD, and lynda.com, and finally, new employee services. These services correspond with the services link on our left navigation. This is a link to our Technology Service Catalog in TD Client. The Technology Service Catalog is a jargon-free description of all technology services. These services are organized logically rather than by our department's organizational chart. We've included tags that allow individuals to see services aligned with their relationships to TWU. Responsive design makes the catalog available on any device, and its powerful search returns results on services, as well as providing an A to Z listing of services available. The catalog is web-based, open to anyone with the address, making public information freely available. It is a living document, maintained and updated as services and details change. We hope that this will improve communication within the university about technology services. This is our service catalog in TD Client. You'll see on the screen some instructions for how to use. You can use the search bar to search. We've also made categories available. You'll see those listed here. Another search option is to click on Services A to Z. This will provide a full listing of all of the services in the catalog. Finally, you can use tags to search for services that correspond with your relationship in the university, such as faculty, staff, students, or alumni. We hope that you'll take advantage of the self-service in this service catalog, but you can always contact the Technology Service Desk for support. Let's explore the Technology Service Catalog. We click on a category, and we see that there are 6 services listed under the category of collaboration. Further, we can see on the screen popular services, any new services, and throughout the service catalog, we have access to those popular tags. Let's explore a service. You see here the tags that we've been talking about. This service also has a file attached that you can download. Each service has certain categories to describe it. You'll see these over and over again throughout the catalog to create a uniformity about our services. If we return to the service catalog architecture, we can select another category, such as computer and device support, and select another service, such as shared file storage, or as you know it, the X drive. This service has related articles. We'll talk about articles soon. You see again the same categories. This also has related services, so services that are similar to the X drive and shared storage. Now we'll talk about the knowledge base. A knowledge base is a collection of articles. A knowledge base article is text written by a knowledge expert that explains step-by-step instructions related to a technology service, how to solve common problems with the technology service, and/or to direct the technology service user to outside support documentation. Users are encouraged to submit feedback on knowledge base articles. Temporary knowledge base articles may be created ad hoc with descriptions of workaround solutions. When you are in TD Client, you have ready access to the knowledge base. You can see that the knowledge base has categories, similar to the service catalog. You also have the search options in the knowledge base. And the structure is the same: popular articles, recent articles, and tags. Our knowledge base is a work in progress, so there are a lot of uncategorized articles at this time. Let's look at an article. In the email category, we can select Sign On to TWU Gmail. Here you see the tags and step-by-step instructions that describe how to log in to TWU Gmail. We hope that you'll give us feedback on the knowledge base. Each article allows you to sign in with your portal username and password to tell us how helpful an article has been. You can mark the article as yes, helpful, or no, not helpful. And we hope that with either selection, you'll leave us feedback so that we're able to make this knowledge base helpful for everyone who uses it. Another great feature of TD Client are the questions, or technology FAQ. These are well-written answers to the most common user queries. Typically, questions will provide one-step answers, or answers that speak to best practices, insights, or perspectives on how users can get the most value out of technology services. Questions are another piece of TD Client. You can see here a list of the questions, and if you click on one, you can see the answer. From here, you can get back to services or the knowledge base. I want to show you the search bar. You can type in any search term here, and the results will return from the knowledge base, from services, and even from questions. So no matter what you're looking for, you should be able to find it in TD Client.